Bitcoin money cost especially equivalent to $225.13 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, $223.02 to $228.64, in an extremely enormous way. The earlier day close, $227.44, which by and large is very huge. The change basically was 2.31. 1.02% in every way that really matters, huge way. Converse rate, United States dollars to BCH, Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not so distant future, and month Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost $230, genuinely most extreme $246, fundamentally least $214 in a kind of huge manner. Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, August 8, cost $226, sort of greatest $242, genuinely least $210, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost $211, genuinely most extreme $226, by and large least $196 in a really significant manner. Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, August 10, cost $208, lovely most extreme $223, sort of least $193. By and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, August 11, cost $204, especially most extreme $218, genuinely least $190, which truly is very critical. Bitcoin money value forecast 2023, 2024, 2027, in an extremely enormous way. In multi-week Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, August 14, cost $213, by and large most extreme $228, kind of least $198. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15, cost $214, by and large greatest $229, in every way that really matters, least $199, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, August 16, cost $210, really greatest $225, kind of least $195, showing how pretty backwards rate. United States dollars to BCH in a sort of significant manner. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, August 17, cost $213, certainly greatest $228. Sort of least 198 in a kind of significant manner. Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, August 18, cost $218, essentially greatest $233, least $203, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. In about 14 days Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, August 21, cost $217, truly most extreme $232, fundamentally least $202, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, August 22, cost $207, kind of greatest $221, for the most part least $193 in a significant manner. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, August 23, cost $216, for the most part greatest $231, kind of least $201, which truly is very huge. Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, August 24, cost $210, greatest $225, truly least $195 in a really significant way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, August 25, cost $212, genuinely greatest $227, really least $197 in an unobtrusive way. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, August 28, cost $212, most certainly greatest $227, certainly least $197, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Tuesday, August 29, cost $212, essentially greatest $227, exceptionally least $197, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, August 30, cost $213, certainly greatest $228, extremely least $198, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, August 31, cost $206, sort of greatest $220, fundamentally least $192, showing how Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, August 25, cost $212, truly most extreme $227, really least $197, which in a real sense is very huge. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, September 1, cost $203, truly greatest $217, really least $189, showing how today's exchange cost range 223.0 to 228.64, which for the most part is very critical. In about a month, Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, September 4, cost $195, fundamentally most extreme 209, really least 181, or so they especially thought. Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, September 5, cost $188, kind of greatest 201, most certainly least 175, which basically shows that in 3 weeks Bitcoin money figure on Monday, August 28, cost $212, lovely greatest 227, especially least 197 in an extremely significant way. United States dollars to BCH today. United States dollars to BCH swapping scale, sort of equivalent to 0.4442 coins per $100. Today's reach 0.4374, 0.4484, exhibiting that Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, August 16, cost $210, exceptionally most extreme 225, essentially least 195, showing how certainly reverse rate United States dollars to BCH extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. The past AS nearby 0.4397 in an extremely significant way, change for now plus 0.0045, plus 1.02%, kind of additional appearance how Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, August 22, cost $207 in every practical sense, greatest 221, especially least 193, or so they certainly thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Monday, August 7, cost 0.435 coins, sort of most extreme 0.467, genuinely least 0.407 in a huge way. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Tuesday, August 8, cost 0.442 coins, sort of greatest 0.476, especially least 0.413, which all things considered is very huge. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, August 9, cost 0.474 coins, by and large greatest 0.510, especially least 0.442, exhibiting how the change for the most part was 2.31, 1.02%, which sort of is genuinely huge. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Thursday, August 10, cost 0.481 coins, sort of greatest 0.518, extremely least 0.448, so Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, August 22, cost $207, essentially most extreme 221, by and large least 193. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Friday, August 11, cost 0.490 coins, especially greatest 0.526, really least 0.459, which is very critical. In multi-week United States dollars to BCH expectation on Monday, August 14, cost 0.469 coins in every practical sense,